Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Sotiris and thank you for stopping by my channel. In this episode, so I've been asked quite a few times about how we can tell with a new Facebook layout about Facebook ads, because we can run ads for your company. So in automotive, things like that, we help with running ads. But how do you find out if a company is using Facebook ads in the new version of Facebook, because they've just done a bit of a rejig and a facelift? So I'm going to show you it's really simple, and it pretty much just moved the place. But before I do that, if you haven't already, be sure to like this video, it helps out a lot, and also click the subscribe button and join the family. But without further ado, let's have a look. So I'm just going to go up to the search bar up here, and let's just pick a dealer group. Let's go automotive. No, let's not. That doesn't make sense. Group 1 automotive. That's just a dealer group that I know of. So let's use them. We're going to find their page, which is just there. Click onto that. All the usual things that you would have done before. We're going to do that now. My internet is terrible. Come on. It doesn't help that they got a video playing. Very nice to see a video though. Let's just pause that for a moment. So before, you would have gone down the right hand side, you would have seen page transparency and been able to click. Now they have shuffled things around, it all looks a bit different. So what we're going to do is just scroll down, keep scrolling. So main information stuff would be here, and we're just going to keep scrolling. On the left hand side, you'll suddenly see it appear just here, and that's it. Usual like you did before, but it was on the right hand side and it's now on the left. So you're going to click see all. It's then going to bring up whether they're running ads, whether they're not, and we can also see a bit more detail about them. So group 1, if we scroll down to the bottom, this page is not currently running ads. So great opportunity for people in the automotive sector that can run Facebook ads for people to contact these people. So they are not running. If they did, you can go to the ad library and it will give you a list of the ads that they're running, so you have a bit of an idea as well. So you can also look at those and see if they basically look like they might. We can't see the analytics at this point, but we can see whether we think they might be performing well or whether we can actually give them some more beneficial ads to be running. But that's how you do it. So you just scroll down left hand side and it takes you to the page transparency. It used to be on the right, it's now on the left. That simple, quick video. Thank you again for watching. Hopefully this has been really useful. Again, if you are new here, be sure to subscribe and I will catch you in another video.